Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm here to share with you the May monthly magical mystery subscription reveal. And this month I'm super excited. I got a couple of surprises for you. I love this kit so much, so very much. So this is the May kit, which is for June. So I wanted to do something Father's Day, Star Wars. So if you want to use it in May, you can use it in May for Star Wars, May the Force be with you, or you can use it in June for Father's Day. You just take out the Father's Day boxes if you want to use it in May. Otherwise, June, you could use it for Father's Day. The Force is strong with this, Dad. This is your dashboard. Super cute. This is Ogda's Cantina, and this is the first place in Disney that actually serves alcohol. And it's a really cool cantina. I can't wait to go to Galaxy's Edge someday and actually be able to see this myself. But until then, I went with pictures and just dreaming of what I think it's going to be like. Here we've got a younger version of Han Solo and a Kylo Ren before all the bad stuff happened. I just thought they were really cute. It's like almost like they decided to go here on vacation to visit a place that reminded them of home. That's what's kind of like in my brain when I was going through this. So this is your dashboard. I'm going to put the littler cards away and show you the main stuff. So here are your 8 full boxes. You've got 2 double seam boxes, but obviously they're cut in the middle so that you can just put them well, this one's cut in the middle. This one's a full double box. So this one you wouldn't be able to cut it in half, but you could if you want to just take scissors and you want to do one half or the other. But this is like a full scene of Ogda's Cantina. And these are some of the really cool looking drinks that they serve. And then you've got a couple people here with their drinks. I think they also have non-alcoholic stuff. So I just think it would be really fun to go there. Then you've got BB-8 and Porg. BB-8's wearing his Mickey ears. You got a nice little flat lay with Yoda Best Dad card on there, and then some lightsabers and your cloak. This is the outside of Galaxy's Edge during the day. I put BB-8 here in the corner with his little ears like he's poking in to say hi. Like I said, this one is cut down the middle, so these are 2 different boxes. And then you've got the couple here, the father and son outside of Galaxy's Edge. This one here, these are churros. I'm going to bring it up really close. So these are churros, and they're packaged with the lightsaber handle. You can get those in Galaxy's Edge. I thought those were super cute. And then this one here, you've got the Happy I Am Your Father's Day cake. And then you've got a Kylo Ren bobblehead, a couple of gifts for Father's Day. So that is your 8 full boxes. Then on the next page, let me set that off to the side. Next page here is an evening shot of Galaxy's Edge. And you've got the Millennium Falcon here. And then these are like the shopping buildings and stuff. It's really cool looking. Here's your washies. This one has the I Am Your Father and Yoda Best Dad on the bottom here with the 2 symbols. And then you've got some stormtrooper faces across this one, and then your days of the week. Then the next one here is your dividers, some extra boxes, some doodle boxes here, work labels, importance today's to-dos, stuff like that, bill dues, little movie marquee here at the bottom. The next one here is some full boxes. This is an ombre in the blue, and then this one here is my mother making noise in the background. I apologize. She's just coughing. She's probably be so embarrassed when she realizes she just did that. Got some paint swatches here, and then some extra little boxes and some check boxes and check hearts at the bottom. Next up is some more full boxes that go all the way down to dividers at the bottom. So you've got full and half, full across the top, half across the bottom, and these are your patterned pages. Then you've got your color blocking with all your different colors from the kit. Then you've got your monthly. So in this one, the monthly is, I'm just going to go like this. Then you can see how the monthly is. So it's Ogda's Cantina. You've got a bunch of drinks and presents and stuff here on the bar in the background. Super cute. So I'll put that like that so that you can see the whole thing. Then you've got your months. You've got your little thing with your like monthly extras that I always give you. And then you've got your sidebar here with the night scene of the Galaxy's Edge, and then some extra boxes and some more little scripts here. So that is the monthly. Then we'll get into the little quarter boxes here. You've got your paint swatches. You've got your check boxes, bunches of check boxes. You've got your glitter headers. You've got all of your doodle boxes, and then you've got your labels and your little things. So that is everything sticker-wise in this one. Now I'm going to show you some more cool stuff. Ready? I'm so excited for this. This month you get washi. Look at how stinking cute it is. I'm so excited. This is my first time ever designing washi, and so I'm like a little overly excited about it. Can't wait to share it with you, but for this one here, I did swatch them out so that you can see them, but you've got a full, I used actually quite a bit of this because I wrapped up my swaps with it. So everybody that I swapped with this month is getting like a little bit of this in there on their bags, but this is obviously R2-D2, and then you've got your little Mickey heads in here, and some little stars and little sparkles all throughout. And then this one is, these are in the kit colors. This is actually the paper from the kit, and then this is one of the kit colors, this really pretty orange with the Mickey heads all the way around. And one of the cool things that you'll be able to see here in a second, because I swatched it out, hopefully you can pick it out, is the same pattern of washi. The foil on this, it's a star pattern, gold holographic star pattern, and you can see the stars in everything in there. So when I move it just right, I think you can see the stars, and I use the same exact foil on your foil bundle. So if you are one of the people that is subscribed to the foil bundle, you will be getting that foil, and I'm going to show it to you now because I'm really excited about it. I think it came out so beautiful. So here are, just take in the sparkle. Look at that. Oh my gosh, golly, I just absolutely love this. This is so fun. So we've got the Dadalorian up here, and it's now like a dad, just way cooler. See also handsome and exceptional. So these are your overlay boxes. The Force is strong with this dad, which is the same as what you've got on your card here. Then you've got this one here, and it says, when you wish upon a Death Star, and you've got the Death Star over the castle. And then right here, hopefully you can tell, Mandalorian and Baby Yoda. And then this one is just a Mickey one with the Death Stars in the Death Star here. And then I don't know why I can't think of the ship's name right now because I just said it 2 seconds ago. But anyways, it's a little Star Wars themed Mickey head. And then these ones say Happy Father's Day, and you've got your overlays. Here's your dividers with your Mickey heads. Then this page is your washi page and an underlay and some deco. So the same as what you had on your other one, but this one is foiled. The I am your father, Yoda best dad on this one. And then up here it says Father's Day. And then your overlays have changed a little bit. So this one is called the star pattern, which I'm going to keep these patterns for different months depending on what it is. So this one's got the star pattern with the sticky heads, Mickey heads. So you'll see this this pattern come up again later on whenever there's something I want to do star themed. But anyways, I love, love, love the way this came out. Here are your full box overlays, whole bunches of those. You got 8 of those. Then you have 17 of the underlays, which again have the star pattern with the Mickey heads. Star pattern Mickey heads, and then your extra page with your weekend banner and all of your little extra goodies on here. So that is everything that is coming in this month's May subscription. I'm super, super excited. Subscriptions will open up probably a little bit early this month because I actually got everything in plenty of time. So I might open them up just a little bit early just to get a jump start on it. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoy this. I'm super excited. I'd love to hear what you think about it down below. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.